Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to recover the data if your data is lost in your laptop, memory card, external hard drive or any other devices. In this video, we will see how to recover the data with the help of MiniTool Power Data Recovery 12. This is the amazing platform are providing you very easily recover the data, support various storage devices such as PC, internal and external drives, USB flash, disk and SD card. Support recovery or 2000 files type including photo, video, documents and audio. That one is really amazing. We just simply download this one.
How to download and how to install the mini power data recovery software for the Windows users. So this is a version of the 12.5 and what data is recovered by this application I can show you here. First is restore the deleted files. Those are recycled in desktop and specific folder. Also recover the permanent deleted file from the hard drive, SSD or USB and SD card, and also recover the picture, audio, video and documents. So in between, this is the advantage of this application. Recover also the formatted drive. And next point is it is covering here recover file contain image, audio, video and before recovery. Using this application we are able to 1 GB data we are recover freely. Nowadays time we can download this. So we have the option. This is a Windows version. It is able to working with the Windows 11, 10, 8.1 and 8. So 3 different operating system in a Windows. This application is able to use. Now I can show you the step-by-step procedure, how we can download, then how we can install and how we can use this application. First you can click this download button. Once you click on this download button, it is installer is downloading here. This type of the installer is downloading. Now we can install that, no issue. Once you install the downloader, now it is ready for the installing the MiniTools Power Data Recovery 12.5 version. It is ready for the installation. Just click on the install now this button. Now it is asking are you sure you want to continue? Definitely yes. Once you click on install button, now you can just follow the instruction one to one, just like a next and that's it. Now it is time here, just click on the start button, start right now. Once you install the MiniTools Power Data Recovery free edition for the Windows users, this types of the application is open in front of you. You can just look out here this PC and this is a logical drive. It means we are created complete drive this one, and we are created here the logical drive just like a CD and another reserved folder. Okay, but now I can show you this is a actual details about the hard drive. Click on a scan button and our tools is ready for the scanning specific folder or specific file locations. It is able to scan that. Also you have the power, you want to select that. So this is a stop button. Also you want to about this issue, this losses file from your drive. And after the scan you can just look out here this is a lost file. Select here, 2 files is coming here, and now click if your file is recovered here. Just click on export scan result and it is saving the specific location. For example, just go to the D drive, sorry, this PC specific location, and you can save that file name, give that file name test. Okay, save and yes, push there, and data is stored on a specific location. Now it is time go back on a home. Yes. Now third option is settings options, having here what types of the files do you want to require, the picture, audio, emails, archive, database, other files and documentation. And more options you want to look here. If you want to upgrade these applications as your requirement, so definitely click on this key icon. Then you can register the mini power data recovery free editions. Just click on whichever options is suitable to you. You can select that. That's it.
If you really like these tips and tricks, so before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.